So this is my new daily. It's a 98 Mitsubishi Montero. Funny enough, it kind of matches the other Evo, or the Evo, I mean. But yeah, this is pretty dirty, but the seats and stuff are in pretty good condition. As you can see, yeah, it just needs a good clean. I got a jack because needed a better one for this, and might as well get a low profile. But yeah, I went to the junkyard and got some stuff back here. Got new glass. That glass, it's Lexan, so I need to replace it. So I got that. Got a grill, just an extra one, and then got a new headlight and just some other like trim pieces. Only one thing that sucks is that to open the back, I have to climb through here and yeah, open it from there. So, but yeah, it's I think it's an SR model. It has the rear diff locker, which is kind of cool. And I did buy some new wheels. Yesterday I drove all the way to Portland and came back. But yeah, I got these American Racing 16-inch wheels. It's a 265, 75, 16 Falcon Wild Peaks. So they're brand new condition. So yeah, I'm waiting on some conical lug nuts so I can install them, because these use these kind of lug nuts because Mitsubishi. So these don't work with the rims. But yeah, so it's pretty clean. Only major rust, I would say, is right here. You got like bubbling, but honestly it doesn't really matter. Chassis wise, it's pretty clean, just you know, regular surface rust, nothing too crazy. But yeah, only thing with the car, has a pretty bad wheel shake, around 40 to 60 miles an hour. I think it might be the wheels, that they're unbalanced or something, the tires. So that's why I got these, which are mounted and they're balanced. So yeah, hopefully that fixes it. If not, I don't know, it might be a wheel bearing or axle. I don't know. I'm not like too familiar with these cars, but figure it out. But yeah. So today I'm gonna be replacing the tailgate handle on the Montero, because as you can see, mine's broken. It's pretty simple. Just gotta remove this and then just install this one like that. But I'll show you guys how to do it. Alright, so you gotta remove this bottom panel. So what I did was just remove the where you have the tools, spare tools, and then just kind of took off the door handle cover. It's just you pop that out, and then well, the latch you don't have to take off. I didn't know, so yeah, that's fine. You don't need to do that. But basically, it's right here. So to remove this black plastic cover is just two 10 mils. So you just remove that, and then you can remove this. So got the new handle bolted on, just two 10 mils, and then there's this rod right here connects to. You just push it in to there, and yeah, now it works. So perfect. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy fix. Just be careful not to break these clips. I go here. This one I broke, but it's fine. You can still bolt this up and it'll be okay. So now it's all put back together. And you can see, close it, opens. So this just came in the mail. Got the Pajero corner lights. These are just like eBay, brand new, remade. So pretty nice. Not too expensive actually. It also didn't take long. Came from China. It was like, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks, three, something like that. But gonna be doing that on this boy. Oh yeah, don't know if I also showed you guys. I got the rain guards on. Looks pretty nice. Also, this is how it looks from the inside. Wow, pretty JDM, right? Yeah, so pretty cool. So this is the difference. This is just more smooth and obviously clear, so it'll go well with the headlight. Yeah, it's pretty basic to get this corner light off. All you do is get that, and then it does have a spring that goes right there, but mine broke. This tab breaks off really easily, so this is a 3-prong plug, and the ones that come on this one is a 2, so you have to use the OEM one. So just gonna be replacing the bulb on this one and putting it in here. So there we go. Blinker works. So this is the final look. Yeah, so much better. Looks a lot cooler. But yeah, it was pretty simple. Not so hard to install. Okay, so I got the rotor off, caliper out. So basically, it's 2/17 to take the caliper um, off the hub or knuckle, and then it's just 2/14 to loosen the caliper. And then to get the rotor off, you gotta make sure that you have these 2 holes, which fit M8 by 1.25. So I went to the parts store, got a grade 10, and then just kind of screw it in there a little bit, and then make sure you use a gun, because if you just use a regular wrench, it's just gonna strip the bolt with the amount of torque that hits the rotor. That'll kind of break the rotor off of the hub. So before I put the new rotor on, I'm gonna make sure to put some anti-seize so it's not so rust welded. But yeah, so I was gonna change the brake shoes, but I mean they still got a bit of life left, so not gonna worry about that. Probably do it next time. So yeah, just I tightened it. So right there, if you just push the knob like up, it should be tightening. This bolt is gonna start separating. So it's gonna start like widening. But when you pull the emergency brake, it's tight and there's not a lot of play. So here's the new rotor and brake pads installed. So time to do the other side, which is easier because if you see, I have really no space. Okay, so this is one of the things I've been dreading to do. It's putting a new fuel filter right there. So first thing I gotta do is remove the airbox, and then push this charcoal canister over here, and then I should get some access down there. But hopefully I have all the tools needed to do this. I know it's kind of tight to do this, but we'll see. So this is the fuel filter that I'm using. I think it's from a RAV4 Toyota. This is the part number, I guess. So nice, came with the new crush washers. But yeah, so they say this works. It looks kind of similar. So we'll see if it fits. As you can see from taking off the filter and then moving the charcoal canister, now I have some room to get to the filter. So the first thing I guess you want to do is remove the bottom line, which is you need a 19 to hold the housing. So this part is a 19, and then the flare is a 14. So yeah, we'll see how hard it is to take it off, but hopefully it's not too bad. I got the old filter out. Wasn't too bad. Yeah, so definitely break that bottom nut, that one first, and then get the top one. But yeah, worked out pretty simple. And then you just remove these two 12 mil, and then now to get this off, I think it's 8 mil, and then just take that off, put the new one on, and yep. I got the new one on. I just tightened up the bottom line as tight as I could. Now I'm just gonna tighten the bolts that mount up the bracket, and also mount up this the clamp that tightens this so this filter doesn't move around. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. Just kind of gotta squish my arm through here, but managed to be able to do that. But yeah, just gonna finish up. Should be good to go. Alright, so got the new one on. It's all tightened, so now just to put everything back should be pretty simple. Gonna run the car, make sure there's no leaks, but yeah, that should be it. So, wanted to take you guys for a test drive of the car. Well, I've already been detailing this thing, but I know I've been kind of bad at updating you guys of how the truck is and stuff. But yeah, I mean, been doing some couple stuff. Obviously, you saw that I did the brakes. I did not record me doing the rear brakes. I mean the front brakes. But yeah, I replaced the front and rear brakes. So yeah, and I've been driving on it, and it actually drives really good. Brakes feel a lot better. There's no like steering shake when I'm braking now. And yeah, I also bled the brakes as well. So yeah, other things I replaced with the car is I did the alternator belt and the AC belt. Those things were pretty cracked, so I changed that. Yeah, also there's no more steering shake as well. So when I put the new wheels and tires, yeah, the steering shake went away, so it's pretty good. Also did an alignment. The alignment kind of helped. Just I think one of my arms, the bushings might be pretty bad, so the steering wheel's a little bit crooked still. So I need to replace one of the control arms. But other than that, yeah, like just took a daily. I need to get the AC fixed. I'm not sure what it needs. Yeah, well, best case is it just needs you know, some Freon added on it, but it's never that simple. So